You will learn how to condition your baby to hold their breath. Conditioning your baby to hold their breath is the best way to prepare your baby for swim lessons. Once your baby is fully conditioned to hold their breath, they will be ready for submersions. Get your baby comfortable with floating on their back. Once babies can sit independently, they're not too thrilled about being on their backs anymore. Teaching back floating then becomes a challenge. You will learn how to encourage back floating without force. And last but not least, you will learn how to encourage independence. Independence doesn't mean to leave your baby alone to fend for themselves, quite the opposite. You will remain within arm's reach at all times, strictly supervising while you allow your baby to play independently. Giving them this opportunity will enable them to learn their boundaries and limitations, which in turn teaches your baby a respect for the water. I will walk you through the entire process step by step. The ideal student for this course is a parent of an infant who wants their baby to develop a love and respect for water, or the swim instructor who wants to expand on their current skills. A couple of things before you get started. The course is self-paced with lifetime access. Feel free to email me at Tessa@TessaRhodes.com if you have any questions. It's time to get started now. I hope you enjoy the course and come away with some newfound knowledge.